Welcome back, everyone. If you're wondering how to create a PowerPoint presentation design like the one you see here, don't worry. I'll guide you through each step. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest content notifications. Let's jump right into it. First, open an empty slide. Right-click and go to the Format Background option to change the background color. To make everything clear, I increased the transparency by 50%. Next, insert a parallelogram from the Shapes menu. Draw it as shown in the video. Then remove the outlines and change the color as your preference. Duplicate this parallelogram 3 times and give each one a different color. Now, arrange 2 parallelograms on the top of the canvas, keeping a small gap between them. Increase their width so they exceed the canvas width. Move the other 2 parallelograms close together, rotate them to the left, and place them on the left side of the canvas. Then send one of the horizontal and vertical parallelogram backward. Insert a new text box and type your heading. Change the font color, and font size to your liking. Add another text box for your company name and design a rounded corner rectangle as shown in the video. Move the company name inside it and align it center, then change the font color to white. Now, duplicate the first slide. Move the vertical parallelogram to the right side. Reduce the heading font size. Change the text and remove the company name. Instead, add a description about your presentation. Duplicate the second slide, change the topic, and rearrange the parallelograms as shown in the video. Draw a symmetric circle where you can add team members' pictures and their names. For the third slide, rename the heading, rearrange the parallelograms, and add your company's vision. In the final slide, add some photographs and arrange them as shown in the video. Select all the images, go to the Animation tab, and choose the Fly in Animation. Set the direction to bottom to top, increase the duration, and change the start option to after previous. Go back to the first slide, select both horizontal parallelograms, and add the Fly in Animation from right to left. Increase the duration time and set the start to with previous. For the vertical parallelogram, set the animation direction to bottom to top, increase the time duration, and set the start to after previous. Select all the parallelograms, go to the animation pane, right-click on the animations, select the timing option, and increase the smooth end by 1 second. Finally, select all the slides and add the morph transition. And you're done. Your presentation design is complete. Enjoy creating and presenting.